Hello, welcome to the August edition of the Past Connector. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the past president. Now, let's get started in talking about the fact that the PASS Summit 2019 schedule is now available. Take a look at the conference session page on the PASS Summit website and start planning out your sessions. Get your own learning schedule put together. It's really important that you do this. Keep an eye on the website because there's more exciting announcements coming soon. Information on the Buddy program, stuff about Speaker Idol, and if you haven't registered yet, please get registered now because there is a price increase coming up. That's not the reason to register, that's the reason to register now. You want to register because of all the stuff that you're going to get by going to Summit. It's amazing, it's just a completely unique experience. You can't miss out, but on September 13th, the price goes up, so get in there and register now. Now, if you haven't gotten to attend Summit, but you've always wanted to, you got a chance. Send a submission to the brand new PASS Summit All Access program. Tell us how attending this conference is going to make a positive impact on your life by August 23rd, 2019. You'll get a chance to receive a complimentary registration and exclusive access to on-site activities that will ensure that you have a unique first-timers experience at Summit. So go in there and get that hooked up by August 23rd. Next, if you know someone who needs to be recognized for their contributions to the PASS community, please nominate them for the 2019 Passion Award. Nominations are open now, and it recognizes individuals who've demonstrated exemplary service, commitment, and just, generally love for the organization. And they're inspiring all of us to do more and be better. These people deserve recognition. If you know someone, please nominate them. It's important. Now, this edition's PASS Community Spotlight is focusing and highlighting a whole bunch of the speakers who are taking the stage for the very first time at the PASS Summit this year. It means a whole lot for them. It means a whole lot for their career. And frankly, it's great that we've got new people coming in all the time. This is fantastic stuff. Finally, I do want to encourage you to register for PASS Marathon Analytics. Now, that's taking place August 22nd. It's a virtual event. It's going to explore topics on requirements gathering, storytelling, virtualization, predictive analytics, R, Python, I'm sure a few other things that I haven't mentioned here. So go in there and get registered for that. That wraps it up for this month's edition of the PASS Connector. My name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the past president. Thank you.